This video is sponsored by Adobe Express. Open Adobe Express. Then go to Quick Actions. Select Animate characters to get started. This is useful because it lets you create character-based visuals quickly without needing complex animation tools. Choose a character that fits the concept. For the background, different options are available. This can be selected based on the requirement or kept transparent for more flexibility. The size can also be customized depending on where the content will be used, whether it's for social media or standard video formats. Now add the voice. This can either be recorded directly inside Adobe Express or uploaded if it's already pre-recorded. The character will automatically sync with the voice, making the process much faster and easier. Once everything is ready, click on Open in Editor to continue building the video. Next, the scene is built inside the editor. A background is uploaded and added as a layer on the canvas. This allows full control over how the scene is structured and framed. The background is then adjusted and positioned to fit the composition. After that, the character is selected and aligned within the scene. To make the interaction more natural, the character is flipped horizontally using the position settings. This helps ensure the character is facing the right direction, in this case towards the store. Small adjustments like this make the overall scene feel more intentional and visually balanced. Next, a new scene is added to create the product visual. A blank screen is used to keep the focus entirely on the product. From here, generative video is selected. The starting image is uploaded, which acts as the base for the animation. A prompt is then added to define the style and movement of the video. This makes it possible to control how the final output looks without manually animating each element. Camera movement can also be selected. In this case, a handheld style is used to add a more natural feel. Once everything is set, the video is generated. This process helps turn a simple static image into a polished commercial-style visual within seconds. Next, a short logo clip is added to introduce the brand. To keep the flow smooth, a push transition is added between the first and second clips. Another transition is applied between the next clips to maintain continuity. Music is then added to enhance the overall feel. A chill track is selected and the volume is reduced so it complements the visuals. With everything in place, the video comes together as a complete polished output.
This heat, it's exhausting. I just need something to cool down. Wait, this looks perfect. Exactly what I needed.